Welcome friends. So today topic is internal order. So why internal order is required in SAP? Internal order is basically a cost object which we can use for maintaining budget plus actual. So from internal order we can monitor internal jobs settled to cost center, overhead orders, and monitor internal jobs settled to fixed assets, and offset posting to accrued cost calculated in CO. So basically, majorly we are using this to maintain the activity, to control the activity. Suppose the company is planning to establish in some city, and they have to create a plant building, and second is admin building, and they also want to track all the activities related to plant building and the admin building. So obviously in FI we can post the document directly uh, at cost center level, but we are not able to track particular that plant building expenses and activity. So to manage this thing, uh, we are using internal order. So suppose I need to allocate the plan for plant building and for admin building, but I cannot maintain budget in FI entry. So for maintaining budget, we have to use internal order. There is one more module which is using for project accounting, that is a PS module, project strategy. In it, we create a project, then work breakdown structure, then activity. So that is a very detailed level activity, and uh, specialization is required to handle that project. So this is a you can say a small part of that project. So let's go with the configuration step. So create order, internal order type, that is KOT2, then creation of internal order KO01, then changes of internal order KO02, then input budget, budget profile, tolerance and availability control, and how to create internal order, then FI posting, then settlement to internal. So first step is, let me, because so first step is basically a order type KOT2. Now go to T2, new entry, order category. So order category is internal order controlling. Click OK. Then we take just T001. So testing company internal order. Settlement profile, settle to cost center. Planning profile 001. So planning, we are not going to planning, we are going to with the budget profile 001. Then object class, overhead cost. If we take investment, maybe both, but overhead cost we are going to take as an example. Then OK, then save. Then go to number range interval. So in last our group is coming T001. So this one, select, then go to maybe in any number range we can assign. So enterprise buyer order. Take on first process order and element. See T001 is coming, save, back. So now my number range has been defined. Then save, back. Now creation of internal order KO01. So what profile we have taken? T001. Controlling area is over test. Then a description which we mentioned that the plant building. So these are the business area if we require, then plant, functional area, profit center, then responsible cost center. So suppose responsible cost center is Delhi. So we take responsible cost center, user responsible, this. So right now we haven't prepared the profit center. Then go with the system status is created in control data, currency is INR, order category is internal order controlling, then statistical order. So what is statistical order? Statistical order is that I want to post all the data to actual cost center. So there is only one cost center from which all data is going to be settled down. So, but we are not going to take the statistic. Pre-order cost center settlement to one receiver, not required. Investment profile not required. Just go and save. No profit center. Enter distribution rule to costing heavily. Where is cost center? Where it is asking for a cost center, because I already mentioned the responsible cost center. I don't know. Okay, let me check with the settlement rule. I think there is an issue here. So go with the category cost center, settlement receiver D002. Basically, this is a cost center where the cost is going to be settled. Then percentage, suppose I go with the 50. Then settlement type, full settlement. Then go to CTR, then Mumbai, then 50, and full. So this is a periodic valid from valid to first use. So this is the thing. Then back. Let's try to save. Now profit center. Okay, now error is gone. So our order 600. Just we are going to note this one. Order has been created. Now going to input budget. So this is our order C6336. Now enter. So these are the field which is coming. So have you seen we are at 2021. So -1, 2020 and 2019. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. How it is handled? So this is handled through budget profile, which we have selected 0001. So how to check that budget profile? Let me show you. This is OKOB code is related to budget profile /O. So this is a budget profile which we have selected. Click on. So see, past 2 and future 3. So right now we are in 2021. So -2, 2020, 2019, and +3, 2022, 2023, 2034. So like that it's working. Suppose I want to set 4 and past is 1. Then exchange rate type M, that is okay. And if you are going to configure a new system, this activation type is 0. So we have to enable this also. Then save transport. So this overdone. Now go to back and enter again C. -1, 2020, then +4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to enter the budget, suppose 50,000, and we have to allocate to 5 years. So 2021 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. So now, and this is one more checkpoint which you have to check. If I select total value and annual value, so system always show me two values. Overall, this is basically a total value, and annual value is basically a this tick. So system always we check. Suppose I put here 5, then save. See, availability control, no tolerance limit maintained to controlling area profile. Sorry, this is a different error. Now we just save. So we have to enable tolerance first. So go to SPRO, then IMG reference, then controlling internal order, then budgeting and availability control, then define tolerance limit to availability control. So what is that? So this is basically a option where system will throw the warning and the error once budget is utilized. So our controlling area is test, then profile is 1, then text, then tolerance group, all activity group. Suppose if I want to restrict this order, this profile related to purchase requisition, then I can select 00, then purchase order. So from this I can select. So right now we are going to select all activity, account, warning. So usage 80%. So what I set over there, once my 80% budget is utilized, then system will show warning. Now error. Now what is this? So in this case I define once my 100% budget is utilized, then system will throw an error. Save it. Now go to back over window, close it. This one budget, save. I think we have to come outside. Overall budget 50,000. Suppose I input 11,000. System will not allow. System showing overall budget less than cumulative budget. So I have to revise this one. I can do less, but I cannot do greater. Sorry, I don't have to put here. See, less figure is getting saved. So now our budget is 45,000, and but for 2021 that is a 10,000. So now let me do the entry through FV50. INR, GL code 4, then so our budget is 10,000. Now I am going to put 11,000. Order number here. Now currently ICICI Bank we will take. M rate is not maintained in the system, so we have to firstly maintain the M rate because INR, sorry. F5 posting not allowed. Why it's showing me this error? Because currently I haven't released this order. So now we have to go to KO02 slash NKO0. Enter. Now go to control data and release. Release, then save. Now my status has been changed. Now go to this, enter. See, the error has gone. Simulate. Posting is allowed only zero balance. Sorry, debit. Then simulate. Why it's allow me? Because my overall budget is 50,000. So it will allow me to post. Go to back. Yes. Now suppose I will put 50. Now simulate. It's allowed. Now we are going to post 51,000. I don't know why error is not coming. Oh, because at the time of posting it's showing error. See, the order is budget is exceed. Now we will input 14. Now test. Again we are trying to do this thing. Now order number, post. See, now double click. What system show? In document number, budget fiscal year 2021 is exhausted. So suppose it get posted. And now go to report checking, go to controlling, accounting controlling, internal order, information system, reports, plan actual, double click. Now controlling it is test 2021, 1 to 12, plan version 0, then run. Sorry, plan we haven't created, so we have to check the budget versus actual. Why plan is not coming? This is actual to actual comparison, actual plan variance. Don't know why plan is not coming. Let me check again. More report, budget actual commitment, because there is a very less report, the controlling area. So see, this is a budget and this is a actual. 2021, 10,000, 10,000 actual assigned. So this is a 2022. So you can see a report in this T code S underscore ALR underscore 870103019. Now close it. One more information I would like to provide you. Suppose now my budget is exhausted, but I need more budget. So that is a supplement option. So this right can be assigned to some other senior person to allot more budget. So now click on that. See, now I assign 5,000 here. So now my current budget is 15,000 and assigned is 10,000. Now, so I can use 5,000 more. Say, now if I go with the FV50 test, now go with the F10, now 3001, sorry, we have to make debit, then credit. Suppose I put 6. Now internal order. If I'm going to post, it will throw error. See. Now if I'm now I make it 5. Now if I'm going to post it, it will show warning that the exhausted, enter, and the document get posted. Now if again we are going to check the report, information system, reports for internal order, more report, budget, test, run. Now go to 2021, 15,000, 50,000. So how this is how we can use internal order.